Hello team, so this is a job management solution which I'm going to show you. So your user can easily search by skills, functions or area. Here they can search jobs. So how much jobs we are currently live, that data will come here. In the left side they can filterize. Currently we not add much data for demo purpose, so these are some data. There you will get more data, so user can easily filterize. Here you can check, I already had one job, so here you can check job details, company overview. User can easily apply. Here you can check related user. Here you can email to friend, add to favorite. You can report as well. Here you can check job description, benefits, skill required. In the last, here you can check quick links, job by function area, job by industry. These are some contact details. Okay, so after the jobs, here you can check company data. So these are some company. About us we have, so here you can set up about us, blog, contact and sign in. So let me show you some user login also once. This is help you to check solution. Let me check if allow me 1 second. So this is the user login. Here you can check your user's dashboard, like how much profiles, if user view, following, my CV list. Here you can check followers, recommendation list. Here if you want to edit, and you can easily edit your profile. You can view public profile like that. Here you can check my job application, so how much job application you had done, so that data will come here. You can check view data, just seconds, so it will be open. Like this job is already expired, that's why it's coming in expiring. Here you can check job details, okay, like what is the monthly payment and all, you can manage that. Okay, after that, this is my favorite job, so here which if you add in favorite, then that data will come. My job alert, manage resume. So how much resume you had created, that data will come here. You can add it, delete, you can add CV, you can check your projects, means how many project do you have, add that data, experience and education and all, you can check this. Okay, you can create your video profile as well. If you have any video profile, then you can add video profile as well. Okay, these are some other data which you can manage. So now let me show you like employee login, who posting job. Okay, so you can register as well, like candidate login or employee logger, so you can sign up easily. Now let me log in as an employer. Let me show you that data. So this is the employee login. So here you can see how much jobs you had open, follows, messaging. So this is package. So your user will buy package for posting job. So your user can buy any package and they can manage it. Currently here they can edit profile, they can manage the company profile. After that, if user want to post jobs, they can post with some details like skills, stage, salary type, means which types of currency like USD, INR, periods, like career label and all. Here you can set up multiple jobs. This is company jobs. Here you can CV search package, so you can buy any package and then you can search. Here you can check unblock users, company messages and company followers data. Okay, if you log in as a job seeker, so here you can find out the seekers data. These are job seekers data. You can filterize, you can view profile if you want to view, you can log the profile if you want to log. These are some features. So I already show you the both user login. After this, let me show you admin login as well. Okay, so this is the admin login. So here you can check total user, active, verify, total job, active job, feature job. After that we have a recent register user list, recent jobs we have. After that we have admin users, so you can check the list of all admin. First I think I need to log in as a admin again, because I already log in as a user, that's why it's writing change. Let me log in, just allow me a minute. Okay, now I already log in as a user. So this is the user. So here you can create multiple users. After that, jobs. So here you can check jobs, so how much jobs is there, that data will come here. You can mark as inactive, mark as feature as well. You can add new job if you want to add. So add new job feature is same like your company, job title, description, banner and job details you need to add once, then it will be done. Okay, after that we have a company, so here you can set up multiple company, list of companies we have. You can check, you can in an action you can edit, you can check how much jobs they upload, delete, you can mark inactive and all. You can add new company as well. You can check list company payment history, means how much they had complete the payment. User profiles we have, so you can manage user profile. CMS we have, so you can manage CMS as well. After that blogs, so you can add your blogs. It will be live on our side on front end, so you can set up your own blogs. Okay, you can check blog category. SEO we have, so here you can manage SEO. FAQ you can set up your own FAQ. Homepage video we have, so list video language, so you can set up or you can add multiple video. Okay, so in this video also will live on your front end. After that, testimonials, sliders we have. Here you can manage languages. So currently we had 4 language. Here you can add more language, like if you're working with a different language, you can set up. So here you can set up your current locations, country, state, city. After that you can set up your packages. Currently we set up few packages, so you can create package for job seekers, for employer, for CV search. You can create multiple packages, what packages you want to make, so you can set up your own packages. After that we have a language label, so here you can set up language label, career label, functions area, gender, industry, job experience. So this help you to fill the form. So whenever job seeker will post any job, then it will help like how much, what job skill they require, what types of jobs they get. So you can set up these things. After that we have some settings, so you can manage site settings, like here you can set up like primary contact, email, okay, default currency code and all. Here we have SMTP, so here you can set up your SMTP key and it will work. Send mail we have, so here you can set up your send mail, main mail. After that we have a social network, so here you can set up your social network manager. So here you can set up your index, means you can add your code, so ad will be live on your website. After that we have a capture. Here you can log in with social media, then these also are working. Here these you can check our gateway, so here you can check PayPal, PayU, Stripe. So we currently using this gateway. You can set up your gateway key, then it will work for you. Mailchimp we have, Google Analyze we have, Job API we have, so you can set up these things easily. So I already show you the complete demo. So if you have any query, doubts, so you can connect with us. I will try to solve you. Thank you.